everyone, apparently it started recording.
What?
It started recording. This is my grandma's legs, unless she wants me to show her face. And this is my dog Maya. Today we are going to be throwing Maya into the biggest leaf pile ever. My grandma and I spent like 5 hours raking this thing. So yeah, we're going to be throwing my dog into the pile. She's over there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yay! That was the best thing. Throw her on the other side now. Alright. No, like on here, on this side. Alright, now we're going to throw her on this side. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! She's got a leaf on her butt.
What was she saying?
Okay. So I'm sorry I haven't made a video in like 2 months. But yeah, I was depressed on Animal Jam. So yeah. But this is what we've been up to today because we were bored. Now I'm gonna go jump in it. Woohoo! I can't get out. 5 hours.
You're a good sport, Maya.
We were gonna rake up the whole yard. Can you see this? Like, this yard was completely covered. We were gonna rake up the whole thing. That's as far as we got. So thank you all for watching. This is my baby Maya, who is such a good sport for letting us throw her into a leaf pile 4 times. And this is my grandma. Say bye.
Bye.
Not to Maya, to the camera.
Bye. One more time, Maya.
Okay, one more time apparently.
Oh, she's crying. Okay.
She's freaking out. Try to get it in the top. Good girl. Thank you all for watching. I will see you later. Bye. Say goodbye. Grandma, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.